Egg chicken in, nigga, let go. Small as a hell. Ooh, make it rain and fall down. Hey.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have not done a video in a hot minute, but tonight I'm doing something and I just thought that I'd take the camera out and start recording. So I have my friend Antonio here and he's gonna help me. I just bought two Kicker 6.5 speakers and they're brand new. Got them from a buddy. These are them right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm putting them in my truck. So what my plan is, up in here, I'm gonna make a box that goes right here. And I have all the tools to do it. So just gonna jump right into it. I got some plywood from the shop. It was just on the ground. I got my saw. This is what I'm stabilizing the wood on because, you know. And got some tweeters. So I'm gonna start off by cutting. I already cut a piece before and then I realized, hey, I should make a video. So I have this piece, I'm just gonna trace it. This is where the two speakers are going. Well, my plan is, so like say this is a speaker, and this is obviously a speaker. I'm gonna have one speaker right here, one speaker right here, and then two tweeters right here, and it's gonna be really, really freaking loud. Freaking $3 ice chest. Dude, we got ice in here. This sounds pretty stupid, but always wear eye protection. I just don't have any access to any right now. What I'm doing is I'm using these two pieces and they're gonna go side by side like this, and then I'm gonna make pieces to go on the outside, and then I'm just gonna cut holes in the sides of here and then cut holes on this side for the wires to come out in your channel speaker. If you don't have the money to go buy some plywood, find some. Come on. Whoops. All right, so I'm looking for some screws. Come on, dude, you can't laugh. Stay focused. I've got long gray screws. I've got long black screws. I've got medium-sized black screws. I use these because these look cool. I'm using a Phillips, if anyone's wondering, for Phillips screws, because that's how it works. We've got our piece of wood. Look how stupid I am. I just put this thing in backwards. Nice. Aside from my mess, but this is how I like to work. I can just see everything. Speakers there, lights there, pliers there, saw over here, air conditioner heater thing over there for my stand. Speaker here, wire stuff there, my shoes, other stuff. Oh. Hey, welcome back to my crib. Antonio had to take a break from cameraman because he had an important phone call. Yeah, come over here. This is what my measurement is. That's a 6.5 inch speaker. I have 8 inches by 24 inches. Right there, 2 foot. It's gonna be like 4 inches wide, or 4 inches deep for the speaker to sit into. Let's get rolling, man. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I've made this little thing that I'm gonna use. I literally grabbed this little shoelace out of my house, some random drawer I found. I'm gonna use it to draw him a circle. what I'm doing now is I'm now wiring the tweeters and speakers, and I'm just gonna like run them straight into my amp off of my door speakers just to make it less complicated. Yeah, I have my wires going from my speakers, and then now I'm working on the tweeters, and then I have my holes drilled on the back side of this, and I'm gonna do this and then make these and then wire it up. It's now 10:39. We started this at 7 o'clock. I'm tired, but the grind never stops. I have the speakers and tweeters on the front of here. I mean, it's looking like something. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut the side pieces out that cover this right here. Knock this out and try and wire it. Here's a test fit. Fits like a freaking glove, dude. So what I'm gonna do to make it stop shaking, and because like if I slam on the brakes or something, it's obviously gonna fly forward. I'm gonna put little supports back here, like one here, one here, one here, so they go behind the seat, and then I'm gonna put them going sideways so it goes behind here, so it makes it from falling forward. The box is looking really rough, I'm not gonna lie, like measurements and everything, but it doesn't matter because I'm putting carpet over this to make it look nice in the interior of the truck. We have two coming out on each side and then two at the bottom. It's basically gonna just slide in like this. Ooh. Get the wires out of the way. So yeah, it's gonna slide in like this. It's gonna slide right there. So now, when I'm driving, well, it might wiggle a little bit, but I don't really care. Here and start wiring stuff. Hope we don't blow something up. Getting to connecting these wires to the amp. They're just basically gonna go into here with my other door speakers, and I'm gonna hope for the best. Yeah. Girl, 'cause I got myself. So now, before I get copyrighted, I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna show you, you fellow viewers, what the hell I'm working with when I'm finished. So these speakers are ridiculously loud. That's basically what the box looks like right now. I'm eventually gonna put carpet over it. The speakers are ridiculously nice. These are Kicker 6.5 and literally Walmart brand tweeters. I picked those tweeters up at Walmart and they are really loud. Yeah, that's what they sound like. They're really loud. And you got anything to say?
Not really. I just know they're really loud.
Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm eventually gonna start making a lot more videos. Like this video and share it to your friends. Get me out there. See you in the next one.